stay in the same spot. His back is just rotating.
She's like, what is that tail?
What bulldog beater dogs look like?
Terrible.
Long, wrinkly things.
So what made you decide on a bulldog? Like,
I don't know, I just love them.
yeah.
I don't know. I've always loved bulldogs.
Nope.
They're just such personalities.
Yeah, they do. She says, oh my goodness, someone is actually playing with me. What
Where'd
is
you
this?
get her from? From Weyburn.
Oh, there's a
There's a
breeder
breeder
in
there.
Weyburn.
Mm.
Okay.
Mom's like, I want one.
I do want one.
Get
Yeah,
one.
I'd go there if you